guys, what's up? This is Sample Lady. Welcome back with another video. So today we are going to unbox the new AirPods second generation. So let's get right into it. So right off the bat, here we get some papers for the AirPods. Then we get the AirPods itself. If we pull this tab, we get the earbuds and the cable. So now let's open the AirPods. So these are the AirPods, and these are the papers of the AirPods Pro. No stickers. And these are the earbuds of all sizes. And this is the USB-C threaded charging cable. So now let's pair the AirPods Pro to the iPhone. That's about it for the new AirPods Pro 2nd Gen.